Hello and welcome back sa ating Good Talk. This is your coach Rene again. I would like to know kung until now ba nagle-learn ka pa o after ng school mo hindi ka na nagle-learn. Well, actually, ang akala natin pagkatapos ng school tapos na ang lahat. But ang totoong laban ng buhay is pagkatapos talaga ng ating eskwela, pagkatapos ng ating pag-aaral at pagsusumikap. At ang pinakamatinding laban is yung ngayon. 'Di ba? So, we are always thinking na akala natin doon na nagtatapos yun. Pero I have to tell you this. Right now, you have to keep on learning every day base sa experience na meron ka every now and then. Kasi yan yung magpapabago ng buhay mo. You have to learn para mas marami ka pang maging earning sa mga susunod na mga panahon. Okay? Because the wisdom that you're going to have in the future is magagamit natin yan along the way. So that's it for our good talk for today. God bless.